Okay, so this is my smaller cabinet. I wanted to show you that. What's inside this? This is my art cabinet. That's all my paper and smaller canvases, and these things here are going to move so that I can just pull these out. And those little packages there are like my graphite pencils and stuff like that. These are mostly my notebooks I draw in the most. I think, let's see, one of these is colored pencils, and then one of them, and no, these are like Prismacolor. I like their case better, the Thornton's case. Those are watercolor, and those are my watercolor pencils. Those are my watercolor markers, Prismacolor markers, paint pens, chameleon markers, you know. And down here is actually paint. All of that's paint. And this is my favorite of this drawer. This is all my crafter's paint in this drawer. So, this is my art drawer. I have a tower that has a lot of stuff in it too. So, yeah, still in work in progress. I'll film everything once we get it done, but I'm still working on it.